How to deposit or withdraw on OKX wallet. If you want to either deposit or withdraw on OKX wallet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. You have to simply go ahead and then open up the OKX wallet application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Then from here, what you actually have to do is, in order to deposit or withdraw, you have to simply go ahead and then tap on the multiple dots icon from the top left. Then under manage assets, here you'll find this option called withdraw. Simply go to the withdraw option if you want to withdraw it to some of the other wallet. To deposit and find your wallet address, you have to go to the deposit option, making sure you've also verified your identity. Select the asset and tap on the copy address option if you want to find the addresses for your certain crypto, and if you want to withdraw it, you simply select the withdraw option. This way you can deposit or withdraw on OKX wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.